Here, the question tells that two masses of 1 gram and 4 gram are moving with equal kinetic energy. The ratio of the magnitude of their linear momentum is what? We have four options. Then we have to find out what is the ratio of their linear momentum. So let us find out what are the data is given here. We are given two masses. Yeah, one mass is, the first mass is 1 gram and the second mass is 4 gram. Can I write here? So mass 1 is 1 gram and mass 2 is 4 gram, right? Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the linear momentum. Means suppose P1 is the linear momentum, the first one, and P2 is the linear momentum of second one. So then we have to find out the ratio. So can I go to the next page? Yeah. So we know that the kinetic energy, which is equal to P square by 2m, or what I can write momentum is equal to square root of 2mk, where k stands for kinetic energy. So in this question we have to find out, so then if the kinetic energy is constant, then can I write, so momentum is directly proportional is the square of mass? Answer is yes. That means can I write P1 upon P2 must be equal to square root of m1 upon m2? Answer is yes. So in the next step, can I write P1 upon P2, and the masses are given 1 gram and 4 gram respectively. So then the square of is what? 1 upon 2. Therefore the ratio is P1 is to P2, which is equal to 1 is to 2. So our answer, what is the answer? 1 is to 2. So option B is the right answer.